Hi friends, welcome to Super Crazy Hacks. Today I am doing water tricks. Oh, what happened? Water, one glass filled up with water, and then how it is flowing water we will see. For that one, we required one straw and cutting scissor. Water is required. Let's start. The water will fill up with glass. Straw will cut it like this. Straw cutting like this. We'll cut it like this. After that, two glasses filled up. Glasses will keep it like this. Can check this. Water filled up. ऐसे ऑर्डर में two glass filled up, equalized. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Today I am doing tea bag flying in air. How to it flying I will show. For that required one tea bag, matchsticks or any lighter or one scissor. How it will go I will show you. Tea bag. This tea bag. I will put it like this and take the matchsticks. We will apply here only, top of the button.